So when you dance, you have a 4 major feet position. So right now we call it flat. So heels are down, ball of the feet down. So we're touching the full foot touching the floor. Now the next one is a ball of the foot, high ball of the foot position. The next one is a toe position, toe. And the number 4, it's inside of the toe, inside of the toe. So let's roll it back. This is a toe, this is a ball, this is a flat. Now let's do the same on the other foot. So we now have a flat, we have a ball of the foot, toe, inside of the toe. Then you have a toe, ball, heel. And again, roll. Ball of the foot, toe, inside of the toe. Toe, ball, heel. So now it's very important when you use which position. For example, like today we did a lock step. So what is the correct footwork for this action? If you only talk about feet. So if you look at this foot, moving foot, is always, whenever you move your foot, it goes toe, then it goes on the ball of the foot, then goes on the heel. So moving leg, anytime we move our leg, it's toe, ball, heel, not ball, heel, toe, ball, heel. For more beautiful look and for the more control. Toe, ball, heel. Now, when we do lock step on the backward foot, as you know, is always developing. So it's going from flat to ball of the foot to the inside of the toe, as we do for every forward walk. Now, as you do lock step, is the inside of the toe, not a ball of the foot, inside of the toe. And now you can use that inside of the toe, we talk about this back foot, to push off and again to release the front leg and articulate the front leg to the toe, ball, heel position. And then you continue your lock step and cha, and cha, and cha. So ideally that back foot is on inside of the toe, not a ball of the foot, inside of the toe. And it allows you also inside of the toe to use more hip and leg rotation. Got it? So let's try that. So for the lock step footwork is it will be toe, ball, heel, ball inside of the toe. Now keep it if we do like continuous lock step inside of the toe and cha and cha and cha. So here 2 legs we have to pay attention. Back leg is inside of the toe. Front leg is articulating toe, ball, heel. Whether today I saw you guys, you were doing more like a, if I look at your front leg, it was more look like flat foot or ball of the foot. That's not recommended. So if I look at your front leg, it should be very much toe, ball, heel, toe, ball, heel. If I look at your back foot, what I saw today, you were doing more like a ball of the foot. So that's a little bit not easy to use, not recommended as well. So for the back foot, inside of the toe will be the most recommended position. And now you make those 2 positions work together as a team. Inside of the toe of the back and toe, ball, heel in front. And cha, 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 cha. Try exactly the same on the other leg. So stay here. So we're doing lock step. So for the front leg, you know, is toe, ball, heel, footwork. For the back, it's the inside of the toe. And now use your inside of the toe to produce more action and to release that front leg. And cha, 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 cha. So this is a footwork for the lock step.